Today, on Get Your Mind Right, politics. Your politics should consider the needs of humanity. Do not allow your politics to be corrupted by greed and selfishness. See yourself in your politics. Let your vote be in support of righteousness and compassion and sacrifice. Politics can be dirty and gritty, but you are in control of your heart and mind. Therefore, be determined to keep your politics filled with honesty and thoughtfulness. You know what is right, not by what you was taught in school, or by your parents, or by your community. You know what is right by how you want people to treat your children, your parents, your community, and yourself. Let your politics be guided by how you want the world to treat the most important people in your life. Thoughtfully investigate the motives behind your politics. Ask yourself, am I voting in the best interests of humanity? Does my politics allow for empathy and equality? Does my politics seek justice and truth? We should all be in a constant state of reflection and re-examination of our beliefs, values, and politics. The world is continuously changing. What was once deemed as acceptable behavior is now seen as terribly offensive. But when ideas, laws, and principles are based on love, truth, and righteousness, they will stand the test of time as a mighty fortress in the middle of a hurricane. The politics you support today will have a lasting impact on your tomorrow.